ADLINK Factory has set clear goals to achieve production excellence. To improve work efficiency, ADLINK Factory has implemented AMR to assist with heavy lifting. Utilizing ADLINK MicroRAN private 5G network for seamless communication between AMR and complex systems ensures highly efficient, secure data transmission with low latency.
ADLINK MicroRAN solution provides private 5G network and managed existing Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection through a single user interface. With micro-segmentation function, you can group and manage connected AMR and AOR equipment and even dedicated bandwidth to each device, ensuring optimal performance.